Okay, now, in cause number 311-988, the state will be dismissing the motion to revoke your probation. Will this end her probation?
Yes, sir. The case is from 2018.
Okay, so Ms. Bernard, the state is going to dismiss your motion to revoke probation. After the day, you will no longer be on probation. Congratulations for completing your probation. The court coordinator told me what had happened with your relative, your brother. You and your family have my sincere condolences. Okay, so may she be excused?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you may be excused. You have a blessed day, and make sure that you drive safely. Okay. Okay. Okay, now, you said everybody's here on that, but right? Great, okay, she's present?
Yes.
Have her to come in. Greer, Caitlin Greer? This is cause number 326-656. The attorney has reset your case. Our court coordinator will give you a reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Just
Can I ask why it's doing this?
your attorney, you have to ask your attorney that question. Oh, it's for medical reasons. All right. Next case is cause number 322-623, cause number 324-253. Both cases are on the court's motion to revoke probation docket. Cases of style of State of Texas versus Gustavo Gomez Vasquez. For the record, is your name Gustavo Gomez Vasquez? How you doing, Mr. Vasquez?
Good.
That's good, Mr. Vasquez. You're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Bruce Smith. Attorney Smith, how are you doing? Excuse me, Attorney Cobb. Attorney Cobb, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay, Your Honor.
That's good. The state is represented by Attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Johnson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank
The
you.
state is represented by Mr. Gary Gilliam. Mr. Gilliam, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
And Mr. Johnson, Mr. Gilliam, what's the state's position in this motion to revoke probation?
Revoke.
Revocation?
Recommendation is revocation.
Okay, now, Mr. Cobb, you have an announcement?
I haven't advised my client. I'd like to pretty much announce concurring. I think the state has made me an offer on the case. I just want to go ahead and confer with them, confer with my client. It might be a matter of not what, but when.
Okay, you like to talk to your client about that today, I can put this on
Yeah.
hold. Okay, I'll
Yeah.
just put this on hold and then we'll call you back up.
Okay.
Okay, y'all can go out into the hall anytime. Yeah.
Okay. I'll go ahead and do that. 60 days.
Chamber's not here. We got Mr. Reynolds. Here's Ms. King. Oh, Lawson, okay. Next case is cause number 331868, case of Tyler State of Texas versus Lyle Tracy Sanders. Stands you come forward. This is cause number 331868. Case of Tyler State of Texas versus Lyle Tracy Sanders. Mr. Sanders, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Sanders?
Fine. How are you, Judge?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Sanders, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Nathan Reynolds. Attorney Reynolds, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge.
That's good. Mr. Reynolds, what is your announcement in Mr. Sanders' case?
Judge, I talked to Mr. Sanders and we would like just a regular reset and give me the opportunity to visit with the district
What
attorney
is that?
concerning possible.
Okay. Oh, okay, you need to turn your phone on. Okay,
Be able to talk to the prosecutor regarding possible resolution to the case and restitution, and if I could have a regular reset.
okay.
Other announcement.
Now, Mr. Sanders, right now, Mr. Sanders has a warrant out.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, he has a warrant out for his bond was revoked. Well, it was revoked for failing to appear for a drug test that he had as a condition of his
Oh,
bond.
I have a doctor's excuse. I was down with the flu, Your Honor.
Okay, well,
I'm sorry.
well,
And I called Mr. Gillum and let him know.
Well-
Because I had caught the flu for my daughter.
okay,
This is my doctor's excuse and I was in the hospital.
okay. Mr. Gillum, you prepared the drug testing today?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Very good.
Just, you follow Mr. Gillum in the back. Okay, just hold on. I mean, right now we gotta get sworn out. Yeah,
I just want to reset.
I understand, but he got a warrant. He'll be going to jail.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna have to purchase.
No, man. We could give you your reset.
Okay, yes, sir. Judge.
Yeah. Okay. We have any paperwork ready? And Mr. Allison's client still haven't showed. Jeremy Chambers,
I just went out there again for like the third time.
so he hadn't showed yet. Okay, we'll. Okay.
If the people necessary, he's on his way.
Okay. Okay, do we have any? That's Mr. Boudreaux. Okay, hold on a minute. Take this. Jefferson County Court 11-2 is back in session. Next case is Lanisha Danae Matoir, cause number 332118. Ms. Matoir, is that your full name?
Yes, sir. Lanisha Danae Matoir, 12/15/1987.
Okay, Ms. Matoir, are you represented by your attorney, Attorney Wright Kimler? Attorney Kimler, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Kimler, what is your announcement in Ms. Matoir's case?
We'll put it on the trial docket.
Okay, we're gonna reset this for trial. Ms. Matoir, you can stand on the X in front of the court coordinator, get your reset.
I have to go to trial.
You have to talk to your attorney about that, not today.
Okay,
Your case is gonna be reset, stand on the X, get your reset, and you'll be free to go.
My excuse, Your Honor.
Yeah, hold on, Mr. Kimler. Mr. Garrett, Mr. Gilliam,
Yes, sir.
Are you gonna drug test her or?
I'll take care of it right now, sir.
yeah. Okay, so, just hold on a minute. She can have a seat out there. Just have a seat in the gallery.
And then you'll come back and get your report.
Mr. Kimler, do you need to be in another court?
No, Your Honor.
Okay,
It's the only thing I have this morning. Or today, actually.
okay. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session and cause number 328-400. Case is style of State of Texas versus Joshua Lyle Atterbury. Mr. Atterbury, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Atterbury?
Pretty good yourself.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Atterbury, you're here represented by Attorney Bruce Smith. Attorney Smith, how are you doing?
Fine, Arthur. Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Gilliam and Mr. Johnson, what is the state's recommendation?
Your Honor, the recommendation on this is we want to keep, the defendant on community supervision and, so that he can complete an anger management course, and pay and the associated fees, Your Honor. We believe that is,
Okay,
paramount here.
okay, let me ask you this, Mr. Atterbury. Well, Mr. Smith, I was gonna ask, has he started the anger management or does he need to start it?
Well, let me explain to the court what occurred, from my client standpoint. On May the 3rd, he went to the probation department and he, at that time, was placed in jail for a motion to revoke. On May the 19th, he appeared, May 19th or 20th, I'm not sure exactly the date. He appeared in front of you at a jail run. And pled true to the motion to revoke.
Oh, he did?
And he got 9 days.
And his case is still pending?
But let me explain this, if I may. So he thought he was through with his probation. And he was let out. And then about 2 or 3 weeks ago, probation officer called him in. And it appears that what only happened on May the 19th was a motion to revoke filed on the harassment communication.
Oh, he had another case.
And apparently, he was placed on probation apparently on 2 cases at the same time.
Okay.
One was the family assault, the other one, it was harassment communication on the same victim. And so all this time, he thought he was off probation. Turns out he's not off of probation on that particular case. And so if the court desires for him to continue on probation and do his anger management, he is certainly willing to do that.
It was just a mix-up that I misunderstood.
Okay, so, he wants to do the anger management? Is
Well,
that-
if the court desires for him to.
I mean, this is the
complete the
recommendation,
probation,
well, this is the recommendation that's made by the state. I mean, if they don't want to, pursue the revocation, they want to give him an opportunity to complete the anger management. That's what I'm hearing. And so if he, wants to accept that, the case will be reset to give him time to do that. Now, if he doesn't, obviously we'll be in, revocation mode. You can have a hearing, you
No,
can
no,
plead
you're-
or whatever.
His position is, because he's now finding out that he is still on probation.
Okay.
He's willing to do whatever the court wants him to do, whatever the probation officer.
Well, I mean, so you're saying that he's willing to accept the offer of the DA's office,
Yes, sir.
because the court doesn't make offers.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I was just under the impression that I was not on probation anymore, because the way I was explained was that it was taken care of with the 9 days that I had got time served. So that's why when I got out, I didn't know or think that I was.
let me ask you this, just a question. Did these 2 probations run concurrent?
Yes.
Okay. I wonder why it didn't come up during the,
I don't know.
And that's what
I wasn't involved.
yeah,
And I don't know why that happened.
should have been on the
but-
docket at the same time.
But it appears that's what happened.
If we could reset this so we can do a little research and figure out what happened and maybe have them come back next month and maybe.
That'd be fine too, Jim.
Okay, so we'll reset it, 30 days reset?
That'll be fine with us.
Okay, give us a reset,
December the 9th or the 16th?
December the 9th or 16th.
What day of the week is the night?
August, it's gonna always be on a Friday.
Oh, that's fine. Either one.
Yeah. Which one you pick?
The number.
Okay, so this case we reset to December 9th, 2022. You're gonna get your reset from your attorney. Once your attorney signs for your reset, give it to you, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir.
Now, you're still on probation.
Right.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Was told that it came $20.
Yes. Yes. Mr. Gillian. Now, let me do this here. Mr. Gillian,
Sure.
would you bring me those results? Now, Mr. Sanders,
Yes, sir.
you realize that you are, you have bond conditions require that you, take drug tests on a weekly basis. And, you're also aware that, pursuant to the bond conditions, that if you fail to, well, if you test negative, test positive, your bond can be revoked. Or if you fail the test for, or fail to take the drug test, your bond can be revoked. You're aware of that, right?
Oh, yes, sir. But that's
Okay.
what I say, I had caught the flu for my daughter, and I have the doctor's excuse, sir. That's why I didn't make it. And I called Mr. Gillum, but he was out of town.
Okay. Now, did you do that before? Now, Mr.
Oh, yes, sir. That's the doctor's.
Let's-
excuse,
let's-
sir.
Let me see, last week was, you want to show that to me? Or-
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just as a work release form saying that, I guess from these dates.
Oh, this is a work release?
Yeah,
Oh, this is a
yeah,
work
sir.
release, from the data, notice for the employee that was seen in the facility.
Today,
Uh,
Your Honor,
Oh, that's-
What was Friday?
28.
Friday was the 28th?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
27. Yes, sir.
Okay,
25th,
Friday,
the 28th.
okay. Primary. This is Kenny Jones. Mr. You under something? You want to see this?
Yeah, I wasn't aware that he missed the drug test, but
Yeah,
provided this, and from information he's told the court that he was sick or ill on the date that he was supposed to take a drug test and attempted to contact the probation officer. And the document he provided me apparently shows that he did go to the doctor and was out for those days.
right.
And we asked, and he's, I believe he's tested negative on all his drugs today. We'd ask the court, recall the warrant, reinstate his bond.
State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, so the bond is gonna be recalled, and his bond gonna be reinstated. Okay. Do we need to get a,
I'm gonna go.
we're gonna get a copy of that? Yeah, we're gonna make a copy of it. Okay, you can, get your reset. And then, you'll be free to go.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Y'all have a blessed day. Okay, yes, he could have a seat out there in the gallery. Mr. This is cause number 331712. The case is styled State of Texas versus James William Hunter. Now, Mr. Hunter, this case is a driving while intoxicated with an enhanced blood alcohol concentration of 0.15 or more. That's what this case is.
Okay.
Okay, now, in that he wanted to hire an attorney? Okay, so the last time you was here, you reset your case to hire your attorney. Have you hired your attorney?
No, sir, I have not. I mean, I literally left before 8 o'clock this morning.
Okay, so my question is, why haven't you hired your attorney?
I have no excuse.
Okay,
I mean,
now,
I've had the time, it's just,
okay, now,
once it's set, there's no excuse.
okay, now, the other thing is, we must inform you, let me do this here. Mr. Ariola, would you come forward? You're gonna stand on the X in front of the bench, in front of this table. This is cause number 332-660. Case is filed in State of Texas versus Danny Chavez Ariola. Mr. Ariola, is that your full name? How are you? Oh, you have to speak up.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Ariola? You doing okay? Mr. Ariola, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Bruce Cobb. Attorney Cobb, again, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
That's good. Now, Mr. Cobb, what is your announcement in Mr. Ariola's case?
I'd like to try to get Mr. Ariola into the pretrial diversion program
Okay,
for that, and you didn't go to probation and try to talk to them at all, not getting that? No?
I mean, I talked to the bondsman and he told me to talk to you about it.
Yeah, I've got to go and send something for you to get approved. Do you have a good record?
Yes, sir.
okay, let's, so Mr. Cobb, what we will do, I think the next sign up is December. You probably won't be able to get into that, so the one after that is in February.
Okay.
And so we're gonna reset this case to the second week in February.
Right.
Okay, so Mr. Cobb is going to get your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. So this case is gonna be reset to give your attorney time to make an application to see if you can qualify and get in and get accepted in the pretrial diversion program.
Okay.
Okay, just please stand on the S. Once you get it, you reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Where is it? I haven't. Mr. Sanders, where is it? This is showing that your warrant was recalled. You
Yes,
need to, you need to keep that with you in case you get stopped.
yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Gilliam, are we through with Mr. Sanders?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Gilliam, do we have the results from?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'm gonna see if she got a condition.